added value investor, sponsored by Burlington Real Estate. I'd like to invite up Jason Sharman to help us hand out this award. Welcome to the stage, Jason. Again.
And the nominees are Balmain Asset Management, CBRE Global Investors, CPI Property Group, EPP, Europa Capital, Globalworth, Golden Star Estate, Newbridge, Poland, Tristan Capital Partners, and Zeitgeist Asset Management.
So Jason, thank you for sponsoring the event once again in the Whiskey and Cigar Bar, which I plan to go to in just a few minutes. So thank you for sponsoring that and also sponsoring this award.
Absolutely. Look forward to seeing you all in the Whiskey and Cigar Bar. So, the Value Add Investor of the Year award goes to Globalworth.
Congratulations, welcome back.
Yeah, thank you very much for all. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Okay, well, come over here for a photo. That was fast. Okay.